Welcome to the world of making money online, where opportunities abound and financial independence is within reach. In this video, we'll explore 5 straightforward ways to boost your income from the comfort of your own space. No rocket science here, just simple, practical methods to help you thrive in the digital landscape. Whether you're a tech whiz or just getting started, these options cater to everyone. So, buckle up for a journey into the diverse and exciting realms of online income. Let's turn those clicks into cash with confidence and ease. Make sure you watch up to number 5, because you're gonna love them all. Number 1, affiliate marketing. Have you ever wanted to make money by simply recommending things you love? Well, that's the magic of affiliate marketing, a cool way to turn your love for products into cash. Let's break it down in everyday terms. Affiliate marketing is like being a friendly guide. You sign up with companies that sell stuff, and they give you a special link. When you share this link and people use it to buy something, you earn a commission, a little reward for sending them their way. Here's the beauty of it. You don't need to create the product or deal with customer service. You're the messenger, spreading the word about things you think are awesome. Whether it's your favorite book, a snazzy gadget, or a fantastic online course, you can share the love and make money doing it. So, how do you get started? Join affiliate programs of companies you like, get your special links, and share them with your friends, family, or on your social media. It's like telling your pals about the best pizza place in town and getting a little thank you for it. Easy, right? Affiliate marketing is a win-win. You help others discover great stuff, and in return, you earn a bit of extra cash. It's like getting a high five for being a friendly guide in the online world. Number 2, creating a YouTube channel. Ever thought about having your own spot on the internet where you can share what you love? Well, guess what? Creating a YouTube channel is like setting up your own online show. And the best part is, it's way easier than you might imagine. Let's dive into the world of YouTube creation. And I've got an incredible tip to level up your skills, a fantastic online course. First things first, pick a topic that gets you excited, whether it's gaming, cooking, or doing cool DIY crafts. Armed with just your smartphone and a bit of creativity, start making videos that show off the real you. Post them on YouTube, tell your buddies, and spread the word on social media to slowly build your audience. Now, let's talk about turning your passion into profit. YouTube can pay you for showing ads on your videos, and the more folks watch, the more you earn. But here's the game changer. Consider enrolling in this awesome online course that spills the beans on creating and growing successful faceless YouTube channels. Whether you're a total beginner or just need some extra tips, this course has your back, guiding you from scratch to stardom. Click the affiliate link in the description below for this awesome course. Creating a YouTube channel isn't just fun. It can be a money-making machine too. So, grab your camera or smartphone, share your passion, and boost your skills with the right knowledge. If you don't know what topic to create a channel about, or you feel you do not have any skills worth sharing on YouTube, thanks to the recommended online course, the course take you from a complete noob to hero. Your channel could be the next big sensation on the internet. Number 3, freelancing. Your ticket to work freedom. Ever wished you could work on projects you love, set your own schedule, and be your own boss? Well, freelancing might just be the answer to your dreams. Let's talk about freelancing in simple terms. Freelancing is like being a professional free spirit. Instead of having a regular 9-to-5 job, you work on different gigs or projects for various clients. You get to choose what you work on, when you work, and even where you work, maybe from the comfort of your own home. Now, how do you start freelancing? First, figure out what you're good at, whether it's writing, graphic design, coding, or any skill you possess. Then, sign up on freelancing platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Create a profile showcasing your skills and experience, and you're ready to roll. Clients who need your skills will find you, or you can browse through available gigs and apply to the ones that interest you. Once you complete a project, you get paid for your hard work. It's like having your own mini business without the stress of running a big company. Freelancing gives you the freedom to do what you love, on your terms. It's a flexible and exciting way to earn a living, allowing you to shape your work life the way you want it. So, if the idea of setting your own work rules appeals to you, freelancing might be your ticket to work freedom. Number 4. Online courses and e-learning. Creating and profiting from your knowledge. Ever thought about sharing your expertise and making money while doing it? Welcome to the world of creating and selling online courses, where your knowledge becomes your currency. Let's explore how to turn what you know into a valuable online learning experience. First things first. Choose a subject you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. It could be anything from photography tricks to mastering a programming language. Once you've got your topic, it's time to plan your course content. Break it down into easy-to-follow modules, and consider adding engaging activities or quizzes to keep your learners hooked. Now, where do you put your course? Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare make it easy to upload and sell your courses. Set a reasonable price that reflects the value of your knowledge. Don't worry if you're not a tech whiz. These platforms often provide user-friendly tools to help you create a professional-looking course. Promotion is key to getting people to enroll. Leverage social media, create a website, or even partner with influencers to spread the word. You can also offer early bird discounts or limited-time promotions to attract more students. As your course gains popularity, you'll start earning money each time someone enrolls. Plus, many platforms handle payment processing and provide analytics to help you track your success. Creating and selling online courses is not just about sharing knowledge. It's a fantastic way to turn your expertise into a source of income. So, if you've got something valuable to teach, why not share it with the world and make a living doing what you love? Number 5. Remote consulting and coaching. Sharing your wisdom anywhere in the world. Ever wished you could help others using your skills and knowledge, all while working from the comfort of your own space? Well, remote consulting and coaching might be the perfect fit for you. Let's dive into the simple world of offering advice and guidance from wherever you are. Remote consulting is like being a friendly expert available online. If you're good at something, be it business strategy, fitness coaching, or career advice, people might pay for your valuable insights. And the best part, you can do it all from your home office, coffee shop, or even while lounging in your favorite pajamas. How do you start? Identify what you're great at and passionate about. Then, set up your social media pages and your own website. Advertise your services, and clients looking for your expertise will find you. Coaching takes a similar route, but focuses more on guiding and motivating individuals to reach their goals. Whether it's personal development, life coaching, or specialized skills, you can connect with clients worldwide. As technology brings people closer, remote consulting and coaching allow you to share your wisdom, make a difference, and earn a living, all without stepping out of your comfort zone. So, if you've got valuable insights to offer, consider joining the world of remote consulting and coaching, where your expertise knows no boundaries. Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more content.